Poppin'.
It's a nice view.
Yeah. Live and direct back at you again. It's your boy Spectacular. You know what I'm saying? Doing what I do best. Talking shit, having fun. Check out my captain's lodge, son. And my captain's out here doing big things. You know what I'm saying? Let me bring y'all over here real quick. Yeah, I see. Take a tour of my yacht, son. That's what we do. That's a little Navy base up over here. Y'all don't know if y'all can see that, but that's what we call one of them aircraft carriers. Look, little Navy base, got shit sheltered up. Got the ocean. Got my niece doing big things over here on the ocean, on the yacht. My sister. That's right. Say what's up. See that? Yeah, we doing big things. I got my friends over here. I remember, I don't know, some of y'all might have seen my ballin' ass crib. This is my ballin' ass yacht. So I got my friends on the yacht. Taking them out for a nice Saturday cruise. Kinda chilly out here. That's right, nothing but these open seas.
Yeah, the only reason you buy
Yachting it up.
your car, you get it.
Yeah, why don't you go over there?
Can you take a picture so that we're not so cold?
That's right.
Come over here.
Go over here and get my photography on. Yeah, check out the view over there, son. My bad. Try to do two things at once.
You just have to push the set button if something comes up.
Got it. That's right. Yeah. Go get your coat. What are you doing?
That food smells good.
That's right. And they're cooking my steak and chicken. Hey, Quincy.
Hold on. Okay. So is that the city? Is that LA?
Nah, that's San Diego.
Oh.
San Diego. The meaning of that is a whale's vagina. Look, Quincy, let's go down here to the end.
Yeah. I think it'll be fine, don't you? No? You think our person?
They better be.
Keep an eye on it. If I say sprint, then you run toward the person.
Big boat engines. Yeah, that's right. San Diego.
Oh yeah, that's a shot right there. I gotta go get that.
Look, Quincy. See the bubbles from the ocean?
Come back up.
What?
Because my battery's low. We'll come back up again. Alright, let's go. So fast.
I don't know if there's an entrance.
Because I seen exit.
A little dummy boat.
Well, our purse is over there. So we have to go back there.
Get you can't be rushing because you forgot your coat.
No, I'm serious.
Come on now. Look at what we're doing right now. Look at this. Run, Forrest.